Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a simple animation tutorial video using Canva in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to come on canva.com. Then you need to basically log in into your account. Over here on the home page itself, you will see a bunch of different tabs like sheet, docs, videos, presentations, etc. So since you want to create a video, you can either click on the presentations option or you can directly click on the videos option and select the video resolution as landscape or 16:9. Over here, you will see this type of blank canvas in front of you, and in the bottom of it, you will see this type of timeline where you can basically add more pages and start creating your animations. Here, simply click on this elements tab in the left hand section. Over here, you can just search for any of the characters, any shapes, icons, or illustrations. For example, if I click on the stickers option and click on the graphics option, as you can see, we have a lot of graphics and a lot of animations which you can basically drag and drop and add here in your timeline just like so. You can also select any still image, and after selecting that still image you can basically animate it by clicking on this animate option in the top. So in the right hand section you will see a bunch of different animations that you can basically put on that. So you can choose any one of these. Let's say I chose this one, so it is looking good. Similarly, for the second page, you can select it, go to elements, search for any other element. Let's say I want this one. So you can add this in your timeline, adjust it just like so. Then if you want to add text, simply hover over to the left hand section, click on the text option. Over here, you can add the text and start typing any of the text here. Let's say I want to write hi. So if you want to animate your text, you can do it by clicking on the animate option here in the top, and it will come something like this. Now you need to keep on doing this and keep on adding the pages, add the elements and create your video. Once you are done with it, click on the share option in the top right hand corner, click on the download option, make sure that the MP4 version is selected here, click on the download option and your video will be ready. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.